Book 211, The Mysterious Shroud of Turin, Unraveling its Secrets Through DNA.
In 1978, a team of scientists collected samples from the Shroud of Turin, a linen cloth bearing the image of a man who had suffered physical trauma.
The shroud has been the subject of much debate and speculation, with many believing it to be the cloth used to wrap the body of Jesus Christ after his crucifixion.
But where did the shroud come from, and what secrets does it hold?
To answer these questions, scientists turned to DNA analysis.
They extracted DNA from the shroud samples and compared it to DNA from modern-day humans.
What they found was surprising. The shroud contained DNA from multiple human sources, including people from the Near East, Western Europe, and even India. But the DNA didn't just come from humans. The shroud also contained DNA from plants and animals, including Mediterranean red coral, wheat, corn, and bananas. This suggested that the shroud had been exposed to a variety of environments and had come into contact with different people and objects over the centuries. The scientists also found evidence of microbial and fungal communities on the shroud, which were likely introduced by human handlers over the years. They even found DNA from domesticated animals such as cattle, pigs, and chickens. But what about the age of the shroud? Previous radiocarbon dating had suggested that it was created in the Middle Ages. But the new DNA analysis cast doubt on this theory. The scientists found that the shroud's DNA was more consistent with an earlier origin, potentially even dating back to the time of Jesus Christ. While the DNA analysis couldn't prove the shroud's authenticity, it did provide new clues about its history and origins. The shroud remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious artifacts in history, and continued research may one day uncover its secrets.